Imagine this. You're surfing the internet, looking up sensitive information, maybe booking flights, or logging into your bank account. Everything seems fine until you realize your internet activity could be exposed to hackers, advertisers, or even government surveillance. Yes, they could be watching right now, but what if you could who wants to be the star of Big Brother's internet security show, right? Well, that's where SurfShark VPN comes in. In today's video, we're diving deep into SurfShark's features, security protocols, pricing, and more. We'll reveal if it really protects you and if it's worth your investment. Trust me, you'll want to stay till the end for this one. Many VPNs cost a fortune but only allow a limited number of connections. You're paying high prices but can only protect a few devices. Annoying, right? For families or those with multiple devices, this can be a nightmare. But SurfShark flips this completely. For A, it lets you connect. Yes, unlimited. Imagine protecting every phone, laptop, tablet, and even your smart TV, all without paying extra. And that's not even the best part, because for Surfsharks, you also get access to advanced security and privacy features that most high-end VPNs charge double for. But here's a twist. Is Surfshark's security really as strong as they claim? Let's dive into that next. The threats to online privacy are real, and they're only growing. Your sensitive data can be intercepted, tracked, and even sold without you ever knowing. The digital world has become a minefield, with dangers lurking at every click. Here's where Surfshark's security features step in. They're not just trying to your activity, they're making it nearly impossible to track. With features like camouflage mode, even your ISP can't tell you're using a VPN, and Clean Web actively blocks malware, ads, and phishing attempts. They also have a multi-hop feature, routing your traffic through multiple countries for added protection. Ever wondered if hackers are watching your every online move? Well, Surfshark makes sure they... But wait, does all this security slow down your internet? Let's talk performance. We've all been there, slow speeds while streaming or browsing with a VPN. It's frustrating. You're watching a movie, but all you get is... Many VPNs claim to offer high speeds, but once you start streaming or gaming, it's lag city. Surfshark offers solid speeds and can handle streaming on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and more. And if you're worried about lag, they have a quick connect option that finds the fastest server based on your location. Plus, with WireGuard support, Surfshark aims to maintain speed while keeping you safe. But here's something critical. How secure is Surfshark's privacy? And can you trust it with your data? Let's move on to Surfshark's privacy and transparency policies. Problem 4. Trusting VPN privacy claims. We're often told that VPNs are secure, but can we really trust their privacy policies? Many VPNs have been caught logging data and even selling it. So how does Surfshark stack up here? Surfshark operates a strict no-logs policy. They're based in the Netherlands, which is relatively privacy-friendly, though it is part of the Nine Eyes Alliance. But here's the kicker. They've backed their claims with independent audits and use RAM-only servers that erase data with every reboot. Don't make the mistake of thinking all VPNs are the same. Without proper audits, they keep their promises. Now that you know Surfshark's privacy is solid, let's look at how it compares with other top VPNs like NordVPN and ExpressVPN. Competition comparison. NordVPN and ExpressVPN. NordVPN and ExpressVPN are giants in the VPN world. NordVPN offers excellent speeds and a larger server network, but only 6 simultaneous connections and a higher price tag. ExpressVPN? It's top-notch for speed, but only allows 5 devices per account, and it's one of the pricier options. Solution Surfshark's advantages. Surfshark, on the other hand, offers unlimited connections for less. Yes, its speeds might slightly vary by server, but it's still an incredible deal with advanced features like multi-hop, camouflage mode, and Clean Web. For a fraction of the price, you get all the protection without compromising. And here's something exciting. Did you know Surfshark's longer plans offer one of the best deals in the VPN world? Stay with us as we break down its pricing and current discounts. Pricing and discounts. Surfshark's 2-year plan is available for just $2.49 a month, making it one of the most affordable options for high-quality VPN service. And with the current promotion, you get an additional. Pattern, interrupt, humorous. It's like paying for a coffee but getting VIP online privacy. Who'd say no to that? If you're interested, they often run promo codes offering even more savings. Just check their official website or trusted coupon sites. Conclusion. So, is SurfShark worth it? If you want an affordable VPN with unlimited device support, advanced privacy features, and solid speeds, SurfShark is in choice. It offers everything you need to stay protected without breaking the bank. But here's the big question. Are you ready to secure your devices, shield your data, and surf the web without fear? If so, SurfShark might just be your best investment in digital security. Thank you for watching today's review on Byte Guardian. If you found this review helpful, please, and most importantly, for more content like this. And don't go just yet. Check out our next video overlay link to a related video, where we compare VPNs to help you make the best choice for 2024. Click now and I'll see you there.